Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Gele style we're tying today, and if you want to see how it is tied from beginning to the end, please don't stop watching. Welcome back, beautiful. So I'm starting off with 5 pleats. This fabric I'm using is 90 inches. It's a little bit longer than 90 inches and it has 4 joinings, which you also call 4 um layers. Yeah, some call it layers. So it has 4 layers or 4 joinings. Yeah, 4 of it in it. So I started with 5 pleats. You can start with any number of pleats you choose. You can do 3, 4, 5. You can even start with 1 pleat if you want, because the gele is long and you still have other the other flap coming up later, so you can choose to do more pleats then. Now I'm at the back and I'm crossing the gele already. So here, okay, did I mention that I use 60-40 measurements? I use 60-40 measurements. So when I crossed it at the back, the shorter flap, which is the 40 ratio, goes to the top when I was crossing it. Yeah. So now this flap I'm working on right now is the 40 flap, which is the shortest flap, which went to the top when we're crossing it at the back. So I made 3 more pleats with this flap. This is what I was talking about earlier. If you have started with a pleat, with this flap you can make as much more pleats as you want. You can choose to make 5 more pleats, 4 more pleats, 6 more pleats. So it depends on how you want to go about it. The aim is to have a lot of pleats, so you can choose to do it whichever way you like, but this is how I did this one. All right, so now I'm going to come with the longer flap, which is the one I'm working on right now. So I'll bring it over this one and I'll continue making the pleats, and every other thing is self-explanatory. So guys, please just continue watching. And by the way, if I need to say anything, if I need to explain anything later, I'll definitely explain. So back to us. How have you been, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss Zipro, and that's the name on the screen. That's my name across social media platform. I'm most active on Instagram, so you can reach out to me on Instagram for anything whatsoever concerning gele. If you have questions or you want me to tie a particular style of gele, you can send it to me on Instagram, then I'll be there. I think I have a TikTok account too, where I upload short gele tutorials. You might want to check out that too. My name is Mizi Pro, like I said earlier. So I'm a makeup artist and a gele stylist, professional makeup artist and gele stylist based in Ibadan, Nigeria. And I'm available to travel. I do gele alone. If you want me to tie gele alone, I do that. If you want makeup alone, I do that. If you want makeup and gele, you've got me, babe, and I've got you. So if you're a makeup artist also in Bridal or Lagos, and you have a shoot or you have a job and you need a gele stylist, you need a gele artist, please reach out to me. I'm available for collaboration shoots and collaboration jobs. All right, please reach out to me. If you have an event coming up, you need a gele stylist, please reach out to me. It's your big day is coming, please reach out to me. If you already have a makeup artist, you can book me for your gele alone. All right guys, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thanks for your support. Thanks for always watching my videos, leaving me nice comments, engaging with my posts, watching my ads and all of that. So guys, continue watching. Yeah, I'm forming the side pleats. As you already know, the style of the gele is ace. Well, some people call it bridal fan, some people call it pinnacle, some people call it ace. So it depends on what you're calling it, but I know it's a beautiful bridal gele style. All right, so right now I'm tracing the pleats from the side, and at the same time I'm trying to form the height. So I'm forming the height and at the same time tracing the pleats. Guys, I might not have the words to explain the process, but just keep looking, keep watching, guys, keep watching. What I'm trying to do, all I'm trying to do here is build the height of the gele and trace the pleats from one side to the other side. And guys, damn, my hand was really paining me here because I don't know, the chair she was sitting on wasn't too high. It was just so stressful for me. I don't know why. So I'll have hold on to this side of the gele so that just to secure it while I work on the other side. All right, I'm still tracing the pleats, then I will form the side here like I did on the first side. While I do that, I straighten the pleats and ensure the pleats are aligned from one side to the other side. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. So let's hold on to this side too. Holding this side is kind of tricky because you don't want the pleats to open up and you don't want the gele to fall off. So you have to tell the model or the client or whoever to hold it very firm, like very firm. Then I will go ahead and tie it at the back. So I'm tying it and ensuring it is firm enough on our edge. Then I trace the remaining pleats and tuck it in and tie the two flaps for the second time. All right, then I'll just walk around making the back as neat as possible. So I'll tuck in all the extra flaps, and here we are, the finishing. The finishing is very important. Like I always say in my gele tutorials, the finishing is important because that's where you adjust every part of the gele you are not satisfied with. It's very important, guys. So make sure you do your finishing. Take your time to do your finishing always when you're tying the gele. So if you watch up to this moment, please continue watching, guys. If you watch up to this moment, it means you're a real G. Thanks so much. Please don't forget to like this video, leave me a nice comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't. Guys, I don't know if you have not subscribed, you are just a viewer. Please subscribe now is a good time. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing together. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. Please just press the subscribe button and press the bell button beside it to get notified when I drop another video like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and enjoy. Bye.
Standing all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something